California shawty, it's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today we are doing a makeup look. I have a look in mind that is a recreation, so it's not my own look, but hopefully it comes out the way I want it to. I know I look kind of ratchet right now, but it's kind of what I've been doing for like doing my makeup. I wait until like 8:30 and then I'm like, oh, we're gonna do my makeup now. So I'm just sitting here gonna watch some YouTube and do my makeup, and I thought I would film a tutorial type of thing since I haven't done makeup on my channel in a little while, and I have a lot of non-makeup related videos coming up. So without further ado, here is a little tutorial type of playing with makeup late at night type of thing. I don't really know. But I hope you all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face if you are new. We are working our way towards 700 subscribers. We're getting so close, guys. And I can't wait till we hit 1,000. I'm gonna cry. But let's get started. So I went in with a dark/medium brown and I put that in my crease as a transition shade. Then I put black on my outer corner and drug it all the way into my inner corner in the crease. Then I went in with a dark purple shade and I put that right next to black and did my best to blend them together. Then I took orange and I put that next to purple, but ended up deciding that I was supposed to use pink. So right here you see me going in with pink instead and then applying the orange on the other side of the pink. And then I went in with a lot of yellow. And lastly, I went in and blended out the brown shadow all over again. Okay, eyes are kind of done. I did foundation, concealer, powder. Now I'm going to bronze. I'm going to use my number 7 bronzer. And so right now I'm in the process of booking girls' makeup. And oh, I am so very excited. I'm just so excited. You guys have no idea. I love makeup so much, and doing other people's makeup or hair even, and then getting paid to do it. Like, that is my dream come true. I want to go to this thing around where I live where you can go to like what you want to do when you're older for your junior and senior year, and so we have a cosmetology version of that, and I want to go for that. And then my plan is to go to a year of just makeup school afterwards, because I would graduate certified in the state of Ohio as a cosmetologist, and then go to a year or so of beauty school in college, probably makeup school, just makeup, and I can be working at the same time, and then go from there. This is my dream come true, and I did one prom makeup last year, but only the eyes. This year it sounds like I'm about to do 2 girls in one day, possibly a girl's hair as well, so I'm very excited. I'm kind of adding a lot of color to my face just because this look is very dramatic, so I kind of need a little something to the face. Now I'm gonna go on with my Anastasia blush, like always, and I need to go finish DMing this girl, and then I will be back for highlight and lips and to finish off these lovely dramatic eyes. Either I'm gonna go in with my House of Sparkles Fallen Angel loose highlight, but it's so pretty. Oof, that's way too much. But I want to know what you guys have in mind for video ideas. I'm curious if you guys want more like lifestyle and fashion videos, or if you want more makeup videos, or if you want me to do like a bit of both, because the next couple videos I have planned are more like lifestyle and fashion than makeup. But if you guys want me to try and fit in a makeup video somewhere in there, I can totally do that. It's like up to you guys. I do videos for the fun of it for me, but also to entertain y'all. So I mean, it's up to you guys. Just kind of let me know what you're thinking. this highlighter is gorgeous. Alright. For the eyes, I'm going to go in on the lower lash line and do, I think, a little bit of the black on the outer corner and then the purple and pink. So I'm not gonna do the orange or yellow. Inner corner, I'm going in with yellow, and you kind of want a lot because the inner corner is very important with this look. So I'm gonna go in with yellow, and then I'm gonna go in with a super pale blinding highlight so that I can get this super bright look that the inspiration picture has. And then after this, I'm just gonna go in and kind of reapply all the shades that are on my lid just to intensify the color a bit more. And I'm kind of in a rut right now, but not really like makeup or video wise, more of like life wise. But we're gonna try and get out of it. We're doing our best. I have 6 more days until spring break. Well, 6 more school days. 8 days until like I actually get to leave for spring break, but I'm beyond excited. We're going to Florida again. Okay, so for lashes, I went in with my favorite LA Colors Diva. I need to buy a new pair of these. These are getting disgusting. Honestly, I've barely spent any money all year, and I'm about to babysit and all this other kind of stuff where I'm making some money. I need to go and splurge a little bit on some makeup. I need a couple more brushes. I need eye base, and I need some lashes. So, and then I've been really wanting the Stacey Marie palette. I don't know if I need it. I'm gonna probably put it on my story and ask if I really need it, but I also really want the Beauty Bay, like the new colorful palette, and I want one of their highlighter palettes. So I might not get the Stacey Marie palette, and I might get the other 2 things, because the Stacey Marie palette is colorful, but it doesn't have as many colors as the Beauty Bay one, and the Beauty Bay palette is a lot cheaper. Plus, the Stacey Marie palette has highlighters, but if I get just a highlighter palette, then I'll get both colorful eyeshadows and new highlighters. So I'm thinking of waiting until that palette comes back in stock and do that. And then I really want the P. Louise base, but I need to decide if it's worth ordering it online. Anyways, for lips, I went in with ColourPop Midnight Snack, and for gloss, I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie. I haven't used this gloss in a while, so I'm very excited. Okay guys, this is the final look. I am in love. It looks so good. I can't wait to take pictures. It's currently 10 o'clock on a school night, and I have a full face of makeup on, and I have to take it off still, and oh my god, I have to pack. Oh my god, I forgot I have to pack. Okay, so I am going to go. I love y'all so much. I really loved filming this video. I'm in such a good mood right now. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. We're working our way to 700. But yeah, I love y'all so much, and I will see you beautiful babies next time. Bye, my loves.